Hey guys, my name is Ting and I'm the founder of Lengbox, a Korean skincare and K-beauty business. Lengbox is an online cosmetic shop where you can discover best-selling and trusted Korean skincare brands in the UK. So if you're not sure what to choose, that's okay. You can easily shop products suitable for your skin type by selecting the option most similar to your skin type on the website. Whether you have oily skin or dry skin or combination skin, there is something for everyone. So you can sign up to a monthly subscription and receive 5 to 6 products every month. Or alternatively, if you just want to try out the box, you can also purchase a one-off box as well. Every month you can expect to receive about 5 to 6 full-size products a month. You can also purchase one-off boxes as gifts and include a free personalised message. With the subscriptions, you can start and stop at any time. You're not tied into any contract, and there are also 2 options. So you can either go for the monthly Lengbox, or you can also go for the bi-monthly Lengbox, meaning you'll get a Lengbox every other month.